In this video, we'll learn about the digitizing tools, and those are found at the top under this green kind of circle. It says digitizing tools, and when you click, you will find that there's a manual tool, a run stitch tool, and a stiel stitch tool. And essentially, this is when you use the run stitch tool, for example, and now you click to draw a line, very similar to how when you draw artwork, only when you're finished and you right click, it instantly has the embroidery thread. And so that's different from drawing artwork in that when I draw an artwork line, I click, click, click to draw the same line. But when I'm done right clicking, I've only drawn artwork. And then I would take the artwork and convert it to a run stitch. And the difference here is I can also convert it to a fill stitch, or convert it into an applique, or convert it right back into artwork again, or stipple fill, whatever you want. So when you digitize, we don't have a full digitizing toolbox for Fusion. This is something that you would find expanded if you had the FTCU version, where there would be several more digitizing tools would fly out. But here you've got the manual, the run stitch, and the stiel stitch. And so if you click on stiel and then you click, 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 and when you right click, you'll have a stiel stitch. And same idea if you choose run stitch and then you click, click, click. And remember, you can hold down control. You can work with, the different drawing modes. But whichever one you've got, you right click, it's already going to be a run stitch. And the other one, the first option is called manual. And that one's a little bit more unique because manual will only put in needle points if you click them. So you kind of can't come in here and draw a line that has, a 45 millimeter or 2-inch long line. You kind of want to do it, look at your distance, but it gives you the ability to say this one's going to be 3 millimeters and this one's going to be 5 millimeters, or maybe 7, or any size that you want to. And so I can make a line that has a varying stitch length, and essentially it's quite manual, and I'm manually digitizing the points. And so it's different from a run stitch, because when I use the run stitch option, the software will put needle points in between the points that I put at a prescribed length. And so that length would come from the properties box, that you set. But notice that the one that I created in manual simply says stitches in the properties box. And so it's very specific that I can create it in a kind of old-fashioned way, really. But these are the digitizing tools. So really, we have more capabilities with Fusion by first drawing artwork and then converting into embroidery, as far as different styles of embroidery. And certainly if you really enjoy digitizing and doing a lot of creation of designs, then we think you would love the Floriani FTCU software with its expanded styles of digitizing, as well as a whole bunch more styles of embroidery. I think the entire bottom of my workspace would be full if I chose the FTCU version. And so you can learn more about those things later. But for today, know that when you choose digitizing, the difference is it's kind of a one-step creation. Just choose run stitch, say it's going to start here, and then walk over here, and it's going to end there, and right click, and it will already be that kind of run stitch that you made.